Welcome to Reviews, your trusted YouTube channel from the United States where we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and detailed insights about motorcycles, cars, and all things automotive. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most versatile and reliable two-wheelers in Honda's lineup, the Honda CT series. This model has captured the hearts of adventure riders and city commuters alike for its simplicity, durability, and timeless design. Whether you are an off-road explorer or a daily commuter looking for a dependable ride, the Honda CT promises a unique blend of practicality and fun. The Honda CT is built with a focus on rugged performance and user-friendly handling. Its design reflects Honda's commitment to creating machines that are tough, capable, and easy to maintain. The frame is compact and lightweight, making it perfect for riders of all experience levels. The upright seating position offers excellent comfort and control, especially during long rides. The design might seem simple at first glance, but it's this simplicity that gives the CT its charm and reliability. It carries a classic look with a touch of modern engineering, creating a motorcycle that looks great on the road or trail. Under the hood, the Honda CT comes with a reliable single-cylinder, air-cooled engine that is known for its smooth performance and efficiency. The engine capacity varies depending on the specific model, such as the CT125 or CT110, but all versions deliver a well-balanced power output that ensures steady acceleration and low maintenance costs. The fuel-injected system helps the engine run cleanly and efficiently, offering impressive mileage for riders who want to go the extra mile without frequent refueling. This makes the CT not only a fun motorcycle to ride but also an economical one. One of the standout features of the Honda CT is its semi-automatic transmission. This system eliminates the need for a clutch lever, making it incredibly easy to operate even for beginners. The gear changes are smooth and simple, allowing riders to focus more on the road or trail rather than gear coordination. It's a perfect setup for those who want to enjoy a relaxed yet engaging riding experience. The combination of low-end torque and user-friendly shifting makes the CT an ideal motorcycle for navigating both urban streets and off-road paths. The Honda CT also shines when it comes to versatility. Its high-mounted air intake, strong suspension system, and generous ground clearance make it capable of handling rough terrains with ease. Whether you are crossing shallow streams, dirt trails, or rocky roads, the CT delivers stable performance without compromising comfort. The suspension setup includes telescopic front forks and twin rear shocks, ensuring that the ride remains smooth even on uneven surfaces. The large tires provide excellent grip and balance, which is especially useful during off-road adventures. In terms of practicality, the Honda CT includes several thoughtful features that make it stand out from other small motorcycles. The luggage rack at the back is sturdy and spacious, allowing you to carry gear, groceries, or camping supplies. This makes the CT not just an adventure bike but also a practical everyday companion. The seat height is moderate, making it accessible for shorter riders while still providing enough clearance for comfort. The instrument panel is simple but informative, displaying essential data like speed, fuel level, and indicators clearly and accurately. Safety is another area where Honda pays close attention. The CT comes equipped with reliable braking systems, typically featuring a front disc brake and a rear drum brake combination. This setup ensures strong stopping power and control even on slippery or uneven surfaces. The lights, including the LED headlamp, offer bright illumination for better visibility during night rides. The overall construction of the bike is solid and durable, promising long-term dependability that Honda is famous for. When it comes to ride quality, the Honda CT provides a balanced and smooth experience. It's not a bike built for high-speed racing, but rather for confident cruising and exploration. The low-end power delivery is perfect for slow and steady rides through tight trails or busy streets. The engine sound is quiet but satisfying, reflecting Honda's refined engineering. This is a motorcycle that encourages you to slow down, enjoy the journey, and explore the world around you. The Honda CT also has a nostalgic connection to the original trail bikes that Honda introduced decades ago. It carries forward that legacy while integrating modern improvements that meet today's performance and environmental standards. It's a perfect blend of old-school adventure and modern convenience, appealing to both seasoned riders who remember the classics and new riders discovering the thrill of motorcycling for the first time. Overall, the Honda CT is a symbol of